Yes, man. So in the kitchen, I slice and dice up my seasoning, my vegetable, all of that. You see me? I say. Then I say so. Boom! I feel my peas. For ensure so the peas is soft and nice. Look at that. Well squishy. That's well soft and nice. So guess what? Me I go ready for work. Pa my rice and peas. But you see me come up in the camera and tell them soft.
Soft.
Yeah, them stay and get my coconut milk, you see me, pour it in my bowl and mix it round for pour that in my pot. You see me, and say, see them, I can taste my pot, me put my seasoning them in already, you know, so me I taste my pot, drop in some pimento and thing and all, for me season my pot, me get my all purpose, me get my sugar, me get my butter, you see me, and say, me get all I seasons them, you know, the video shot, you see me, them say, so boom. Look at my pot, look at my pot, look at my pot, look nice. Wow! You see me, let me see and check for my meat. Yeah, man, right away, get me seasonings them ready. Where you see me there, chop up, pour that in at the pot. Look how that look good. Tell me say that don't look good. Let me stay saying in the meantime, I'm gonna make some vegetables. So guess what? I'm gonna make some coleslaw. Get my cabbage, get my carrot. You see me? Slice and dice up that and stay so while me enjoy some good music. Yeah. So you don't know, you know, because time is money and money is time. So we have to ensure so we have to do all things. See the little vinegar, little sugar, then me see some little mayonnaise up the thing. Then me just taste some boom and mix that round. Whop, whop, whop. Well, I'm still a bubble to some chronics. You know how the thing go. You see me? Nice on the Sunday morning. Look how this look good. Tell me say this no look good. Wow. You see me? I said, I scrape that in my dish. You don't know, say presentation is everything when you're cooking up. Then look at my pot. Look for my stew mutton. Look for my rice and peas. Well, shell it.
Tell them so the food bad.
It's bad.
Good.
Really bad.
I told me your father.
No. Because you make for the fruit. It's bad.
Good.